Hi everyone, welcome to Crack Government Job. Many candidates are asking various questions regarding Youth Corporation of India's Junior Assistant Typing Test. So in this video, I try to analyze JCI typing test. Typing test is only qualifying in nature, and there may be some candidates who are thinking typing test marks will be added. If you are thinking so, then you are wrong. A few days ago, I made a video regarding JCI typing test, and in that video, I mentioned one thing fairly clearly, that if your typing speed is fairly good but you are getting low score in CBT, then also you should appear in typing test. So those candidates who took this seriously, they may get extra benefit now, because you can see here from recent poll, only 33% candidates have done typing with 40 WPM speed with more than 95% accuracy. So one thing is fairly clear, that a few candidates will qualify in typing test. And another fairly important question in candidates' mind, that how we know that we qualify in typing test. See, you will qualify in typing test only if you had typed during examination the full paragraph or page with not less than 40 WPM speed, and maximum LOL percentage is only 5%. So this is the simple rules in typing test. And guys, in comment section you can mention how was your typing today. When final result will be declared. See, JCI will declare final result fairly soon for all post, junior assistant, junior inspector, and accountant. So guys, most probably you see final merit list within 15-20 days from now. If you have still any doubt, do let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.